Washing the vinyl soffit pieces. So the side that was up, very dirty. I guess the dust particles go up and then they settle down and they get all over. Also, you can see water stains, but that might have been due to the roof part. Well, I'm sure it was. So the question I've kind of wondered at times was, can you wash these off really good, or do they stain? Well, let's say the answer is that they can stain. I did get these fairly clean, so they're really not too bad. But you don't really get them back to white, I don't think. If it's just dust, yes, but some of this is more than that. So I'm gonna get them as clean as I can, and then we'll let it go at that.